how to turn off screen mirroring on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can turn off screen mirroring on iPhone. So first what you can do is just scroll down from all the way to top to down and you will see this option called this rectangle option like here. Let me just show you, as you can see here. So just tap on it and you will be seeing all of the devices that is being mirrored to you. So you can just, if you have mirrored your iPhone to TV screen, just click on that particular list of TV and just click on it and disable it. You can disable just like that or disconnect it. So but to completely disable your screen mirroring option, what you can do is just head over to your settings, then click on general. From inside here, just click on this AirPlay and hand off icon. So once you click on this option, just tap on the first link, that is automatically AirPlay option. So make sure you click on never. So once you do that, your screen mirroring on iPhone will be successfully disabled. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.